Hello and welcome to this online tutorial all about readdanvilleva.org, the website of the Ruby B. Archie Public Library. I am your host today, Russell Carter. I'm the library director here. I grew up coming to this building. We came here once a week all growing up. So I'm very excited to be back here and be your library director. We certainly like to meet you in person, but thank you for joining us online today. Today I want to talk a little bit about your online account and the things that you can do. So we will cover how to access your account. We'll cover how to renew titles of items you might have checked out. We'll talk about searching our catalog, and we'll talk a little bit about placing holds. So we are going to jump right in. I'm going to go sign over to readdanvilleva.org, which is our website. If you haven't been on our website, it's pretty easy to find things. You can certainly search our catalog here in the upper right-hand corner. But today we're going to focus on our account. So if you'll look down to the bottom left of your screen, you'll see an icon that looks like a little person that says My Account. We're going to give that a click, and we're going to go to the Public Access Catalog, which is where all of our titles are stored, as well as your account. So when you first get onto the screen, you'll see this little login that's asking you for your library card number and your PIN. Your library card number is found on the back of your library card. If you do not remember this or do not know it, give us a call. 434-799-5195. So I'm going to log in. Your PIN number is the last 4 digits of your library card number. Once you get logged in, you'll see our PAC home screen, which is has the scrolling ticker of our new books, our new DVDs, our new books and CDs. If you also scroll down, you'll see some options, your account summary, your account activity, and save lists and save searches. Today, we're going to focus on your account summary. So if you click on account summary, it'll pull up all the items that you might have out, if you have any overdue books, if you have anything that needs your attention. So in my account here, I have 3 items on loan, and I have 1 hold that is pending. So I'm going to click on View Loans, which lets you see everything that you have out currently. As you can see on the screen, one of my loans says that I have renewed it 0 times and I have 1 remaining. What this means is if you have an item that is checked out and you like to recheck it out instead of coming into the library, you can go on your account and you can renew that checkout. But you can only do it once per item. So on Mr. Sonny is Funny and Miss Child has Gone Wild, I've already renewed those 1 time. So I'll have to bring those back in 27 days. But for The Accidental Apprentice, I can check this book out again. So I'm going to click on Renew Loan. And that is all that is to it. Now, again, if you get on your account and you try to renew your item and it says that you can't because it's been renewed too many times, or if somebody's waiting on a hold, you'll have to bring that item back in. Otherwise, you can renew it and continue reading it. So the next thing we want to do is we want to talk about searching our catalog. Now, the easiest way, of course, is just to type something in the search bar. Today, I'm going to search for Harry Potter. Now, when you do a search for a title such as Harry Potter, it brings up all of the items in our collection that have Harry Potter in the title. We have nonfiction books. We have, of course, the Harry Potter series. We have supplemental books. We also have DVDs. So you kind of have to pay attention to the different formats. If you wanted to be more specific on your search, over in the left-hand toolbar, you can select the format of the item that you want. So I'm going to click on DVD, and that brings up just the Harry Potter DVDs. Now, if you wanted to search for something, say, I want to read something like Harry Potter that contains magic, but I'm not exactly sure what title I want to read. If you click on Advanced Search, you can pull up their Advanced Search menu, and you can actually search for a subject matter. So over here in the left toolbar, I'm going to click on Subject. I'm going to type in Magic. And then I'm going to click on Advanced Search. And from here, I'll have everything that has magic in the subject. Now, we have a lot of items here. We have over 74,000 titles. So you have to be more specific. So over in the left-hand toolbar, you can see that you can filter by format, or you can also filter by collection, which includes our juvenile fiction, our young adult fiction, our juvenile graphic novel, and so on. So I'm going to click on adult fiction, and all the titles that have magic in the subject will be listed for me so I can go through and scroll and look and see what I want to read. Once you see a title that you are interested in and it says available, you can click on it and you'll get more information. You'll get the summary. You can scroll down and see how many pages it is. And you can also see whether or not it's checked in or it's unavailable. Regardless of whether it's checked in or it's unavailable, you can still place this item on hold. All you have to do is click on the place hold button. The next screen that pops up asks you if you want to pick it up in Danville or on mobile services. Now, Danville is mainly how people pick up their books. However, we do once a week go out to Coach Recreation on Westover Drive, so you can pick up a book there. But for today, I'm going to select Danville, and I'm going to click on first available copy. We do allow you to select a specific copy to place on hold. Sometimes that slows it down a little bit, so I would always suggest doing first available. That way you get your title as quick as possible. And once you click on submit hold, you'll get a green bar that says hold placed successfully. And as soon as that item is pulled, we will give you a contact and let you know it's here, and you can come by and pick it up. All you have to do is come to the front desk, present your library card, and we will grab that for you. Now, a few things before we end, I just wanted to share. We also have a great online collection. So I'm going to I'm going to remove my filters, and I'm going to go to our ebook. Now, these items are available for you to download. We have two apps, Libby and Hoopla, and those apps let you read it instantly. So you can do this on your desktop computer, on your mobile device. So once you find one of those items, you can click on more options, and then you'll be prompted to go through, download that item to your device. That's really about it for your online account. I certainly appreciate you joining in today. Now, I do want to say that this is not the end. We are more than happy to help you out. Please give us a call, visit us in person. Our staff are here to help you and to help you find the item that you want to read. And I will suggest if you don't know what you want to read, give us a call. Our staff love to talk literature. They love to match you up with a great book. And we certainly are very excited to see you. Anyways, thanks for watching.